Here's a quick tutorial on how you can create add-ons for your booking and reservation experience. So here's a quick example. On the left, we have a number of different items. These are extra options. On the back end, they're called add-ons. You can add anything that your mind can create. You would name it. We're going to put a price tag on it, and then what we need to do is tag it to the actual product. This is an example of an axe throwing product. This could be an escape room, maybe an add-on for a break room like a computer or something like that. You'd be able to add these extra add-ons, and just so you can see on the customer side of it, you can add these line items and then it shows up on the line item. So let's go right into the back admin. Takes me right to admin home, where I can on the left hand side find the add-ons options. You're able to look to see all of the different add-ons that have been created. I'm going to click into that and see all of the products add-ons that have been created at this point. Let's go to create add-on and add something completely new. So from here we will name it, and let's just call it soda. Let's call it $4 for a soda. We can describe this. All right, now that we've described it, we'll be able to add this into the reservation. Let's just go ahead on the lower right corner, create the add-on, and now it is there within our long list of add-ons. So what we now need to do is actually tie this to a product. We've created this product, it lives as an add-on, but now that we have this, if we just click into it and then do associated products on the top, I'm now able to add it specifically to the axe throwing product that shows up. Again, this is what on your reservation page, when you're clicking book now and people are choosing the thing to be a part of, they will then choose, in this example, axe throwing, and if there was maybe a super party bundle you wanted added to that, this is another product on the front page. But for this example, this is a long list, but you likely will have less. But axe throwing is what we're tying this to. Let's go down to the bottom and save it. And now, when I go into the actual reservation, if I click public site, let's go to pick my activity. Let's go to axe throwing, and I'll go through the customer's experience here. We'll pick 3 for Tuesday the 29th, 1 hour, 4 p.m. Now at the very bottom here, we do have the option, extra option as soda. Again, I can add this to the ticket item, and you can see 4 times 5 is 20. It shows up as a line item. This is how you create extra add-ons for your booking experience.